This is a refrigerator that we picked up on the side of the road because we needed a refrigerator. And all I had to do was put a new capacitor in it, which is like 65 bucks. So it's filthy. It came out of a Chinese restaurant. And I'm currently spraying it down with Awesome using a little steamer I got at Walmart. And believe it or not, it's going to come clean. So you got to take a look at this right now. This is my before, and I'll show you the after. I can't do the steamer with one hand, but I'll show you in a minute. Put a little steam to it. A little Awesome. Look at that. Oh my God, it's coming up. That's my first wipe on it. A little scraping of an old menu that's stuck to the top of it. Ooh, I don't think I want Chinese food. I like to get the steamer to that part too. This stuff is incredible. Got about almost half of it done. And now I'm going to hit it with this stuff. And it's actually an oily kind of product. But it helps to get a nice buff up on it. It makes it look pretty. We're getting there. I think I need to take those out. So maybe front left, back left, front right, back right. Ooh, glad we're taking those off. Is that green mold?
Looks like green mold to me.
Ooh, nasty.
So look up in there and let's see what we're gonna do.
Oh, that's just lovely.
Yeah.
I think, you think, let me get some big light on it.
Wait, just try this. Here's the end result.
Oh my gosh. Now hopefully you can do that to this.
How do you get to it?
It's tough, isn't it? I wonder if this would cut it. It's a cleaner. Oh, now we're talking. Goodness, look how good it looks. Unbelievable. So this refrigerator was sitting outside in a parking lot outside of a restaurant, and I stopped over and asked them if they were just throwing it away, and they said yeah. They just told me to take it. it just needed a capacitor. The Freon was good, the compressor was good. It was just literally filthy. So any sort of thing that's just stainless steel, my goodness, a steamer and some elbow grease will clean it up. But it turned out really nice, and it's been a lifesaver since we lost everything in the flood. This was one of the items I didn't have to purchase, so that was very helpful. Hey, tonight we're stealing a refrigerator.